What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the front wiper arms on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. With the hood open, we're going to remove the wiper arm. I'm going to use a 14mm socket and a ratchet. You can take that nut off. Good idea before I take that off, you can take a piece of tape or even a crayon or something and mark the windshield where the wiper is. So that way when you put the wiper back on, the arm back on, you're gonna put it in the same location. If the wiper arm is very stuck onto the wiper transmission, you can use a remover tool, or you can just try to grab the arm and just pull it up. Just rotate it back and forth. Just go back, up and down. Generally, it will break free. There we go. You just wiggle it and pull it off. And we can do the same with the other side. Take the wiper arm, line it up with the tape that we put on earlier. Just push it down. Take the nut. Then I'm going to take a 14mm socket and a torque wrench. I'm going to torque this to 26 foot-pounds, and then I'm going to do the same with the other side. I'm going to hold the arm while I torque this.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.